In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the pickup availability section on the product page in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, the notice displayed just under the Buy It Now button, so if you're looking to hide it in this video, I'll show you the settings where you can do so. At first, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Then look for Horizon Theme and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on Drop Down, then select Products, Default Product. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand Product Information, and then click on Buy Buttons. On the right side of the screen, under Buy Button Settings, look for this option, Show Pickup Availability. Simply uncheck it, then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your product page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the product pickup availability notice is now hidden. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.